and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the November 2024 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments, plus lots of bonuses for being one of our subscribers. So the first thing would be a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can get that, brew it up while you unbox your goodies or while you start creating, brainstorming. This month is full of awesome product that I cannot wait to play with. One of the other perks is a free exclusive cut file. So this month it is this cookbook and the rolling pin and the oven mitt. These are designed by Cut to You exclusively for our subscribers so that you can enjoy them, and this one goes perfectly with our Cartabella collection, but you could also use it with the others as well. It's also a perfect cut file for the coming holidays. Along with your freebies, you'll also have access to 4 recipe cards. So these are designed by our awesome talented design team. They create double page layouts for you, and then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions so you can create right along with them. So if you're looking for a little bit of inspiration, we've got you covered. There's also a ton of process videos posted each month using our kit, so be sure to check out our YouTube channel, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay up to date. Join us at the Facebook group. We have lots of fun. This month, our 4 collections are Bird Song from 49th and Market, Roll With It from Cartabella, Our Happy Place from Echo Park, and Forever Fields from Maggie Holmes. Let's dig right in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. The first collection we're going to look at is Bird Song from 49th and Market. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, this paper called Midnight Concerto, which is a beautiful dark navy blue, and there's like shadows of the florals and stuff up here, and then a row of florals and butterflies at the bottom. The back is a butterfly print, full branding strip of a diagonal stripe in the turquoise. This is that heavy 49th and Market paper. Then we have this one, Songs of Hope, which is a gorgeous background paper with the florals up the sides and butterflies, and this one has a couple of little birds. The back is another gorgeous background page, kind of already done for you, all the mixed media. So we have layers of frames and then the paint and some text around in it. Just gorgeous. I love that. I think I'm going to have to play with that one. Then we have this paper, Harmonious Symphony, which is a full background of leaves and the birds and the butterflies. We also have the little stamps back there on the white. And the back is a text print, like from a book, with green floral painted over the top. Gorgeous. Another full branding strip with just music notes, so be sure to use those as well. So one more look at the pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a mixture of some chipboard pieces. So these up here are the chipboard. Now all of your embellishments will vary from what I received. They get split up. The packages get split up among all the kits. So you may receive these, you may receive some other combination. But these are chipboard. You'll get some of the chipboard and then some of the ephemera pieces. But you can see you get a lot to work with. So that is Bird Song from 49th and Market. Our second collection is Roll With It from Cartabella. So this is that textured cardstock weight. This is absolutely gorgeous. So it has a vintage distressed feel. It reminds me so much of October Afternoon, and I love this. I love the colors, the kitchen theme, everything about it. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock. This patterned paper, which reminds me of an old vintage tablecloth with the florals and the stitching grid in the back. And then on the back we have turquoise with little red diamonds. So again, kind of like a wallpaper print or something from back then. That is Roll With It Floral. We have a striped in all of the different colors. And a gorgeous wood grain. This is called Sweet Stripes, and you can see the little stamping over here, so it's on all of these B-sides. We have a red plaid gingham, and then that white stitched print that was on the back of the other one. This one's called Perfect Plaid. So, lots of things you could scrap with these. For the embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a wood grain border and a striped border that's a little bit bigger. We have all of these banner pieces, some tabs. Look at that cherry pie, apple pie, yum, the cake. Love the old time font that we're using. Kids can bake. So if you have older vintage photos of the little easy bake oven, something like that, that'd be cute. Or if you have any kind of cooking stuff with kids, there's so many icons that would be cute. Documenting your parents, your grandparents, or anything, and recipes or cooking or just memories with them. I love it. The best things in life are sweets. So that is Roll With It from Cartabella. Our next collection is Our Happy Place from Echo Park. Another beautiful home type collection with beautiful colors. This time you're going to get 2 sheets of white wood grain paper. So let me pull this up because I don't know that it will show, but it has an embossed wood grain. Super cute, fun. So you get 2 sheets of those. This beautiful floral paper. The back is a blue with white polka dot. That paper is called Happy Place Floral. And then we have a plaid. And the back is a dark green dot on the green. That paper is called Favorite Plaid. And then we have this wonderful book print paper, rows and rows of books. So you could use that as borders or even a background. It has little teacups in there and a little candle. And the back is a star print, tone on tone in that yellow gold. And this is called Our Bookshelf. One more look at the patterned paper. For the embellishments, these will vary among the kits, but you're going to get some enamel dots, so the colors will vary. I got kind of the minty green. You'll also get 2 sheets from the sticker book, so these will vary. These are the 2 that I received. I have a row of borders, and then this one that has some words I could use as titles and some different icons, the lamp, the tables. Super cute. So that is Our Happy Place from Echo Park. Our final collection is Forever Fields from Maggie Holmes. And this is simply stunning. I love the pinks and the greens in this and the different tones. So you're going to get 2 sheets of natural cardstock. This pattern paper called Gathering, which is a beautiful large floral print. The back is a light wood grain. It's gorgeous. Going to be hard to decide that one. This paper is called Serene, which has tall florals and greenery, and the back is a large white painted dot on that green. And then we have a bold stripe in the pink and burgundy. This paper is called Celebration, and the back side is all these beautiful bows, very much Maggie Home bows. So another look at the patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get 1 of the 6x12 sticker sheets, so it'll be this one or the other half. Love this one. It has the banners and the camera here, a large You Are My Home, so I could use that for a title. Full of Wonder. We have little labels down here and tabs. So that is Forever Fields from Maggie Holmes. One more look at your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out the 3 add-ons we have available to coordinate with this kit to make it go even further. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store. And right now we have a special December Daily album that you can pick up. There's limited quantities, so be sure to check out that reveal video for some special surprises. Don't forget to download all your freebies, and we can't wait to see what you create with this month's kit.